good morning. It's 6:53 a.m. here in Japan, and it's breakfast time. I have my adobo chicken, boiled egg, nilagang saging, boiled banana, and of course I have avocado with oat milk, and oatmeal champurrado. Stay energetic, don't skip your breakfast. Yummy champurrado and yummy avocado with my green tea, of course. And have a blessed Wednesday to all. Good morning. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel in Pinay Wife Life in Japan. Please support my channel for my advocacies. Bless you.